Digital Life. Hujambo na karibu, sasa tuingie viwanjani. Naitwa Davis Mberia. Kikosi cha wanamichezo wenye ulemavu wa kusikia kimepokezwa rasmi hii leo bendera kabla ya kuelekea Tokyo, Japan, ambako watashiriki michezo ya Olimpiki Maalum itakayorindima rasmi Novemba 15 mwaka huu.
We have been here for 25 days. We have worked well, trained so well. All the teams, the athletes, we have endured, have been so patient, and we believe that when we go to Tokyo, we are going to defeat very many countries and we are going to showcase positive results.
The government has been supporting us fully, and even in these Deaf Olympics, I know we have some delays, but I am sure that the government will support us 100% for the Olympics, just like they did support the Olympics and the Paralympics. We are also here as the Deaf Olympics going to participate.
We pray that you are going to bring more medals than the 24 that you brought during the 24th Deaf Olympics. Anyway, the team and the membership that we shall be sending today is more than what we had sent last year. And because we know that you are going to bring gold medals.
Kila laheri kwa kikosiko. Maafisa wa kupambana na dawa za kusisimua misuli